Good evening, class. Today I'm going to show you how to create a video call using Microsoft Teams. So whatever search engine you're using, right now I'm using Google Chrome. In the search bar at the top, you're going to search Microsoft Teams. Then you're going to click the first link where it says video conferencing meetings and callings. And then once you get to this page right here, then you're just going to sign in to Microsoft Teams. And on your left hand side, you're going to have a list of options such as activity, chat, teams, assignments, and calendar. And if you don't see these options when you first open up Microsoft Teams, you're just going to click the three bars at the top in the top left corner and go back to Teams. And once you get to this page where all these options are available, you're going to click calendar, and then on calendar you're going to click new meeting. And in this section you're going to be able to create the meeting. So create the meeting, and you can say Teams meeting. And you can set it up for 1:30 p.m. And you repeat this. You can repeat this event all day, but for now we're just going to have it scheduled for 1:30. And you type what's going to be included in the meeting, location, channel, and save the meeting. Now you have a meeting scheduled for May 2nd at 1:30 p.m. And that's how you create a meeting using Microsoft Teams.